Okay guys, it's Dave at All Important Reviews. Please click the subscribe button down below. I'm going to be posting loads more videos. I've got my Pagani design chronograph, which is a homage to the Rolex Daytona. Absolutely beautiful watch, 11mm thick, extremely slim, very comfortable on the 3-link bracelet. That is an absolute beautiful watch. If you want to pick it up, there's AliExpress link below. Now, got with me today, it's an unboxing video, which I don't normally do, but I'm going to do it today. I've got with me a Pagani design 1651. Absolutely beautiful. So you get little Pagani badge thing. I don't know if you can see that. You see that? Get a bit of cloth, and then you get this guarantee card, the warranty. It's not signed. They just send them out with everyone. But I've got, and I've already reviewed this watch, so it's a bit cheeky. However, this is the two-tone, and I will be posting a full review shortly once I've used it. But this is just absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Solid end links, solid bracelet, a nice milled clasp, although it does have some issues sometimes. Obviously I've not tried this exact unit, but I do have another colour of this watch basically. I have the black with the blue dial, which is good. It's not amazing, but the actual watch case and design overall, I'm going to say it is amazing for the price. It's an absolute spec monster. 40mm ceramic bezel. I do believe it is a ceramic bezel. Obviously this is the two-tone. Now when I first started collecting watches, and it depends when you actually start counting from, but when I was a kid, it seems to me like when I would see people with Rolexes on them, I'm talking about like 15, 20 years ago now, you know, I thought that the two-tone versions were very blingy, but that's kind of what people wore to show that they've got a bit of money. Now, I'm not a materialistic person, and I don't really care about, you know, I don't like things being too blingy. I really don't. I don't wear any other jewellery other than a nice watch, basically. And it's debatable whether you call these nice watches because they're not luxury. But for what you pay, it's pretty sick how close they are to, you know, the original watches that they're based upon. Now, this one obviously is a homage to, well, it's a homage to the Rolex Yachtmaster, in my opinion. That's what I think it looks closest to, and the way that they've done the two-tone is just simply superb. Take it off. I'm not going to completely take all the stickers off right now whilst I'm doing the video, but you know, they can be an absolute looks pretty blemish free. People have picked up on the alignment on some watches, and it's true, the alignment sometimes is slightly off. You could say that about all Chinese watches below the £100 mark. This is below the £100. I think this is just over 70. There's an AliExpress deal tomorrow. I think that looks pretty. I'll just put it on my wrist. Obviously it's not been sized yet. Wow, I think that looks pretty sick. Absolutely beautiful. I mean, the legibility. I'm going to say that of all the watches that I've bought off AliExpress, I'm going to say that this model, the 1651, is so far my numero uno favourite model. As an all-round, for the fit, style, looks, spec, for everything, I'm going to say that this watch is my favourite so far. of all the ones I've ordered. It's just so flipping good, and it feels so good on this bracelet. It's just the right thickness. I think it's just under 13 mil. It's about 12 and a bit mil. It looks the absolute bomb. And this one has the black dial, so you get a really nice contrast. Superb looking watch. Okay, I'll post a full review shortly. If you want to check out the review for the other, it's the same model but just a different colour, then check it out. I'll put a link down in the channel. If you want to pick it up, there will be an affiliate AliExpress link. Obviously I do make a small commission if you do order it, at no extra cost to you. Okay, it's been Dave. Thanks a lot. Ta.